Hello, everyone. I cut out an 18 cm circle. And I'm going to make a yo-yo. I based all around the edge and I center it right in the middle. I cut a 30 seam letter cotton cord and tied a knot at each end. Fold it right in the middle. I place it here in the middle of the yo-yo as well, and make sure it's positioned correctly. Apply hot glue. I cut an 8 cm circle. I'm going to make a yo-yo and fill it with stuffing. Guys, I'm using kite string so that when we fill it, the thread won't break. Leave it a little open because we're going to add more stuffing. I stuffed it a lot until the head got really round. Put a little bit of glue, press it and wait for it to dry. I cut a 20 centimeter cotton cord and tied a knot at each end. Adjust it right here in the middle. Hold it so it doesn't come loose, just a little bit of glue. I cut 12 strands of yarn, each 19 cm long, tied them in the middle, and I'm going to glue them onto the doll's head. I center it right here. Put a little bit of glue. I made a few stitches on one side, fix the hair here, and I'm going to make a few stitches on the other side. I made a little braid and I'm going to trim the ends. I cut a little ribbon that's 18 centimeters long. And I'm going to glue it here on the little doll. If you want to turn the doll into a keychain, you can do this. But if you want it just for kids to play with, you don't need to add it. Or, if it's going to be a fridge magnet, just add the magnet afterward. I cut a 14 centimeter circle. And I made a yo-yo, then we make a few stitches here in the middle. I drew the little face with a brown 005 Bicrom pen. Look how beautiful it turned out, girls. Little scraps. I'm in love. If you liked this video, like, share, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.